Ever wondered if you can save those pesky receipts from Expensify? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital receipts and how to download them from Expensify. Expensify is a fantastic tool for managing expenses, but sometimes you need those receipts for your records, tax purposes, or just peace of mind. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a small business owner, or simply someone who wants to keep track of their spending, knowing how to download your receipts is essential. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Expensify account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Expensify website. Enter your login credentials and sign into your account. Navigate to the report you need. Once you're logged in, locate the specific report that contains the receipts you want to download. You can use the search bar or filter options to find the report quickly. Select the receipts. Click on the report to open it. You'll see a list of expense items, each with an attached receipt. To select multiple receipts, check the boxes next to the items you want to download. Download the receipts. Once you've selected the desired receipts, look for a download button or a similar option. This button is usually located at the top or bottom of the report page. Click on the download button and you'll be presented with a few options. PDF format. This is a great choice for creating a single, organized document of all your selected receipts. Individual receipt downloads. If you prefer to download each receipt separately, you can often do so by clicking on the individual receipt or using a bulk download option. Additional tips. Organize your downloaded receipts. Create a well-organized folder on your computer to store your downloaded receipts. This will help you easily find them when you need them. Check Expensify's Help Center. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions, consult Expensify's official Help Center. They provide detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips. Consider Expensify's mobile app. If you're on the go, you can also download receipts directly from the Expensify mobile app. The process is similar to the web version, but the interface may vary slightly. Downloading receipts from Expensify is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily save your receipts and keep your financial records organized. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.